Hey y'all, welcome back to YOLO Texas. For our next destination, we're heading to an art gallery that's quickly becoming a popular destination in South Texas. It's an experimental artistic environment that showcases works in visually creative ways. And we were lucky enough to visit one of their locations in downtown San Antonio. So YOLO Texas is no stranger to the Alamo City. We've pretty much seen it all. The Riverwalk, local shops, food spots. But today we are checking out an art gallery unlike any other. And to be completely honest, there's nothing quite like it here in San Antonio. So everyone, welcome to Hopscotch.
Immersive art gallery. So a lot of people think of art galleries as quiet, maybe there's painting on the walls. We kind of throw all that out the window, and each installation has its own huge room. There's a lot of interaction, so you kind of participate in the art.
Cool!
And the inspiration was, we felt like people couldn't see this type of art anywhere. You know, with technology right now, it wasn't grouped with other art like that.
Right.
So we really wanted to kind of create a holistic environment for multiple different pieces. And then just a point of gravity to connect immersive artists and consumers.
Wow, it's like a 360 movie theater, I feel like I'm in.
Yeah, so this projection screen is actually backlit by thousands and thousands of 12-bit LEDs.
Oh, wow.
The intention of light and sound to impact in more of a meditative rhythm.
That's what I was gonna say. I feel a little bit more at peace. Like, I don't know, it's very soothing.
So we have 14 installations as part of the official gallery.
Okay.
And then we also just have art throughout the space. So we have over 40 artists that we've worked with on different aspects of Hopscotch.
Well, Secrets is an immersive experience, like an art experience that was inspired by an article. But really people can come in and talk about what their secrets are and unburden, but most importantly be prompted by the secrets that others have left already. So you can pick up any of these phones and people can kind of listen in to hear the voice of someone who's called in to talk about things that are funny or things that they're embarrassed about or just some of their deepest, darkest secrets, knowing that they may not know who's listening.
So we want to create a safe space for people to share something that's been weighing on them and also to kind of hear somebody else's, weight and hopefully feel some release afterwards.
In general, we want to be playful. We feel like experiences over things is one of our mottos. Another is don't take yourself too seriously.
Nice.
So when you get downstairs, it's darker, so it's lively. There's music versus a bright, well-lit gallery.
Yeah.
And what makes a lot of it immersive is the consumer interaction. So you might walk in a room and think it's a blank wall, and then you start, as we'll see, you start to move, and then you become part of the art.
So this installation is called Symbiosis. It's a group called Kuflix out of Moscow, Russia. And so what this does is there's a sensor and projection that creates real-time symbiotic creatures. So as you go against the wall, it'll take a imaging of your figure and create a real-time, unique insect alien kind of piece and overlap it with yourself. So it creates this symbiotic relationship.
Talk about immersive. Yeah, that is so cool.
So this is Light Lines. This is an installation by a group out of Austin. And as you can see, it's a myriad of light and sound programmed to movement in the space.
So I love how some of the installations have that meditative music to it. Then you have absolute silence, and then you got beats like this. This seems like a lot of fun.
Yeah, so this is a group called Play Mode Studio out of Barcelona, Spain. But this one specifically is exactly that. It's designed to allow users and guests to dance with themselves both in the present, the past, and the future based on a software they built in open frameworks.
It's called VJ Yourself.
VJ Yourself.
This one, props are used. I like this.
So this artist is out of LA. His name's Todd Moyer, and he's created spray cans and used.
It's a laser. Okay.
Used lasers. And he's projection mapped on the walls, and then you just spray like you would a normal spray can.
Nice. Check it out. YOLO Texas. Okay, so what is this magical wonderland that we're stepping into?
So this installation is called Rainbow Cave, and it's actually made of about 40,000 single-use plastic bags.
These are trash bags?
They're, yeah, so single-use like
Grocery bags?
grocery bags.
What in the world? Who knew something so simple as a bag can make something so beautiful? They come with a lot of baggage.
This is our last installation.
Well, it's been a great trip so far. Thank you. Learn more about the exhibits we saw today at letshopscotch.com.